Hi, my name's Jason Andrews and I'm from the TV show All for Adventure. Now when I travel this great country of ours, I've come to realise you need to have the right equipment on board, tough, rugged products that you can rely on. Now when I choose portable refrigeration, the only way I go is with Waeco. Now I'm here today with Jack Lawrence from Waeco. Now Waeco are the world leaders in portable cooling. He's here today to show us all about the Waeco CFX range for extreme conditions.
That's right, Jason. The new Waeco CFX range is the next generation in portable fridge freezers, and we believe the best in the market. Now, I know what you're thinking, that's a pretty bold statement, but I'm going to tell you guys exactly why.
Well, while you do that, I'm going to go for a spot efficient.
All right, mate. Now, after years of working in and gaining an understanding of the Australian leisure market, we feel we've pinpointed exactly what our customers need. Now, after extensive research and product development around the CFX range, we've come up with some fantastic results. We figure if we test it in the harshest of Australian conditions, it's going to last pretty much anywhere and in any situation. Whether you're four-wheel driving, camping, fishing, maybe taking the family away for an extended holiday in this vast country of ours, or for those everyday normal chores, you can be sure you've got a reliable fridge on board. The CFX range has the next generation of features, including rugged construction, innovative technology, and of course, effective cooling. Now, firstly to the lid. It's made from polypropylene, just like the rest of the fridge, so it's extremely durable. And the lid will stay open while you pack the fridge itself. The hinges on the lid are made from die-cast stainless steel and are built to withstand extreme amounts of pressure. Now, with this clever design, should you place too much pressure on the lid, it will come away from the unit. To place the lid back on, simply clip it to the hinges like that. To optimise the way you open your fridge in your vehicle, the lids on our three largest models are designed so you are able to hinge them from either side. You take your lid off and you just simply remove these hinges from here to the other side of the fridge. The lid has a sturdy lid latch to open and close the fridge with compression springs for a smooth action. The positive latching action provides for the strong gasket sealing, which improves the insulation and contributes to the energy efficiency of the fridge. To close the lid, simply push the latch down until you hear a click. Now, moving on to the handles. These are spring-loaded and leave plenty of room for your hands and knuckles. And they come factory fitted. Now, when they're not in use, they sit flush with the unit. So they're strong and ideal to use as tie-down points. G'day, Jace, how'd you go?
Nah, not much happening out there, mate.
Well, mate, there's plenty going on here. We're checking out some of the features of the CFX range.
Yeah, well look, clever design, these handles, and that latch, and those hinges, mate, even I couldn't break them.
The CFX range has extremely efficient cooling and low power draw. This is for a number of reasons. Firstly, it's polypropylene construction, which, just like its predecessor, the Waeco CF, has very low heat absorption. The next very important reasons are, of course, the insulation and the fridge seal. Just like your fridge at home, the seal is very important in keeping your fridge cool. Up here in the lid, we have a generous 10mm lid seal gasket, which has internal air pockets, which further improve the sealing function. Add to this the positive latching action gasket sealing, plus the extra thick polyurethane insulation. They all contribute to the energy efficiency of the fridge. Another important reason to the cooling performance and low power draw of the CFX fridge freezer is the genuine Waeco compressor. The Waeco compressor has been designed specifically for Australian conditions. This is after years of testing and product development to provide our end users with the most efficient technology available. Like its predecessor, the Waeco CF range, the new CFX range, has inherited the clever VMSO function, although this time it has been improved for further efficiency. VMSO is short for Variable Motor Speed Optimization. Basically, it means that the motor speed will vary according to the set temperature. As soon as the set temperature has been reached, it reverts back to economy mode and stays at the set temperature. The result is fast and energy-efficient cooling with less wear and tear on the compressor. The compressor, of course, features inbuilt 240-volt and 3-stage battery protection. The battery protection is monitored from the control panel. You can set it to low, medium or high depending on the vehicle you're driving or what battery system you have in your vehicle. So when you're running your fridge on 12-volt, the inbuilt battery protection electronics senses if the power is running low and automatically shuts off, leaving enough power in your starter battery to start your vehicle again. Now, while most four-wheel drives have a dual battery system, this is by no means a requirement for the Waeco CFX range. With its 3-stage battery protection, it's ideal to be used in vehicles with a single battery. The control panel is angled, which makes it easy to read and operate. We have used blue LED in the display, so the temperature can also be read in sunlight, which is a clever feature. These buttons also have child-resistant locking facility, so you can set and forget. Another very clever feature is that the control panel has intentionally been placed at opposite ends from the power entry. This design feature was implemented based on feedback we received from four-wheel drivers with fridge slides and drawer sets in their vehicles who wanted to view the temperature on the front of the fridge whilst the cables will be connected to the back. An added feature here is the cord organiser for the 12-volt plug, which keeps it neat and tidy in your vehicle, as well as maintains a solid connection to the plug. The fridge, of course, comes with 240-volt AC mains and 12 to 24-volt DC vehicle connections and leads. Another great feature on board is a USB charging outlet. This means you can charge your mobile phone, tablet or camera, for instance, whenever the fridge is connected to either 12, 24-volt DC or 240-volt AC. The range is available in 5 models: the CFX 35, the 40, the 50, the 65 and the 65 dual zone. Starting with the CFX 35, now this has got a 34.5 litre capacity. It's a single zone fridge freezer and it's got a capacity for 47 cans and a standard champagne bottle standing upright. The CFX 35 and the 40 can both fit 4 cans across each way. The CFX 40 is also a single zone, so it can be used as either a fridge or a freezer. This one's got a 41 litre capacity and can hold 60 cans. Moving along, we've got the CFX 50. This again is a single zone, so you can use it as a fridge or a freezer. It's got a 50 litre capacity and can hold 72 cans. Now, the largest model in the range is the CFX 65. Now, this comes in both single and dual zone. Now, the single zone, again, can be used as a fridge or freezer. It has a 65 litre capacity and holds 106 cans. The CFX 65 dual zone is both fridge and freezer at the same time. You've got a 42 litre capacity fridge and a 19 litre capacity freezer. It comes with 2 baskets and the freezer has its own lid. G'day Jason, we're just checking out the CFX 65.
Mate, I remember when I first got mine, I could fit so much stuff inside. And of course, I spend weeks at a time off the beaten track and I can fit all my food inside it.
It is amazing. The internal capacity compared to the overall size and weight of the unit is fantastic.
It sure is, mate.
All models feature a dairy compartment for your perishables. The single zone models come with a basket with a removable divider. The flush mounted evaporator plate makes it especially easy to clean, and so does the drain plug. The interior features a long-life multi-point LED light with a magnetic switch that turns on or off when the fridge is opened and closed. The Waeco CFX fridge freezers come with a 3-year component and service warranty, Australia-wide. And we're so confident in the Waeco compressor, we offer an additional 2 years. So that's 5 years warranty on the compressor alone. And with close to 300 service agents Australia-wide, you can't go wrong.
Mate, that's true. You don't want the stress when you're out on the track, and that's why the only way I go is with Waeco.
Absolutely. The range would not be complete without accessories to maximise its use. Here we have a wireless display. This little gadget shows the internal temperature of the fridge from a distance. It also shows the voltage protection level set and has adjustable alarm limits that enable an audible warning if the temperature rises or the battery gets low. Although the Waeco CFX has ample insulation to run efficiently, sometimes you may want to improve the cooling performance, just that extra bit. An insulated cover also protects the fridge from dust and has pockets for your cables, phone and keys. A fixing kit is available for in-car safety. Now, if you're travelling on corrugated roads, having your fridge restricted with a fixing kit is a safe option and helps the fridge travel with the suspension of the vehicle. For more convenient access to the fridge in your vehicle, 2 sizes of fridge slides are also available. To cater for your power requirements, Waeco have solutions for every situation. The RAPS 36 remote battery pack gives you 36 amp hours and will power your fridge freezer when no other power source is available. It is chargeable from 240 volt solar power or from your car if you have a RAPS 12RU2 wiring kit installed in your vehicle. Now, this is another very important accessory which provides a dual power outlet. It runs from your starter battery to the back of your car, where you can put your battery pack in one side and the fridge in the other, allowing you to charge the RAPS 36 battery pack whilst driving. The wiring kit also ensures you have the right voltage run to your fridge when your vehicle's wiring is not up to task. The Waeco solar panels are another alternative power source you can use to charge your RAPS 36 battery pack. They come in 80 and 120 watt sizes. They each have an inbuilt 10 amp heavy duty voltage regulator. They have adjustable feet so that you can direct them towards the sun throughout the day, which is a great feature. Because the Waeco CFX fridge freezers are so low in power usage, they work efficiently with any of these power sources, using very little of its power. So to get the most out of your fridge freezer, consider any of these accessories which you can view on our website. On the website, you can find the full CFX range with technical specifications and information about the accessories and how to use them. We also have handy tips to show you how to operate your fridge and how to get ready for that trip. A bunch of downloads, YouTube clips and news are also available from the website. You can also give us a call on 1800 21 21 21.